Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome back to Skint Living UK. Here's part 6 of my bathroom renovation. I know you might find it slow, but hey, this is real life. So what I've started doing is chiseling off the tile adhesive from the wall. So when I took the tiles off, it left loads of adhesive on the wall, as you can see. So I've started on this wall. It took me ages to get it off behind the toilet, so I used my tried and trusted work cushion. This is using an old pillow and bits of denim jeans like I always do, and I nail on that. It took me longer to get it off behind the toilet than I did the rest of the wall. So what tools did I use? I used some wallpaper strip of devices, tools and a chisel. I started with the red to get the loose bits off, the chisel to get the difficult ones, and then this wood one to get off all the smally little bits. If you look around the ceiling, there's all gaps. This is a wood tongue and groove ceiling. So if any suggestions what I should fill it with would be greatly appreciated. And also around the window here and in the corner. I'm debating whether to get some more Sudal, the expanding insulating foam, or do you think just a bit of plaster will do it? If I was staying, because we're planning on selling the house next year, so that's why I'm definitely doing it now, because I've waited to do this for 4 years. We moved in 4 years ago, just before COVID kicked off in the February of 2020. I'd be putting coving in to make it look more Victorian style, because I've got a Victorian style sink and toilet, and I want to get a roll top bath to match. Do you think I should put wood trim in, bit of coving? Let me know what you think in the comments below.